Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0xca00a000, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, we will stick to two solutions here. The first one is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems. The last one is to reset Windows Update components. And how will you do that? So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. And then we have a list of commands here, and then we can paste it here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.